Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to auto dial a phone number on your phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Auto dial number is either called fixed number or speed dial. For instance, if you want to call any number, you can just go ahead, press and hold a number and say this is going to automatically dial this number on your phone. So you don't need to type the number or go to your contact, you just need to click on keypad and then select your speed dial or fixed dial. So here, I'm going to walk you through how to do this. All you need to do is go ahead and open the phone app, click on the three dots at the top right, locate and click on speed dial numbers. Then here you should see all my speed dial numbers. To add speed dial number, just enter name or number. So you can click on this drop menu to select numbers of the speed dial you want to enter. You can also click on this contact icon, then select the number you want to set as a speed dial. Now you say this is set as the 7th number, then hit the bar button. Now if you go ahead, press and hold 7, then you should see the speed dial number pop. You see that? So that is exactly how to auto dial phone number on your phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.